Hey guys, I'm with Nelly at Euphoria Music Festival, and one question really quick, can you tell us about the crowd today, and just a quick update about
how do you feel with all this?
The crowd is incredible. You know, this is what music does. It brings everybody together. This is the prime example of that. This is a place, when I say a place, I mean LA, multicultural, and they are, you know, one of the leaders in every facet of entertainment. So there is no question that this music festival here will be, you know, such a hit. And I just want to thank them for allowing me to be out here. My music, I started working again at the end of the year. I just been doing a lot of television as well as another No Real Husbands of Hollywood. Another movie coming out, I think later on this year as well. Sylvester Stallone, Kelsey Grammer, a lot of people involved in that. So again, it's kind of hard because you know where your heart and your mind is still at home and trying to get a lot of things going right now. So, but again, I thank you for supporting Nelly.
Thank you so much.
No problem.